Well, hello, welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel, where we try something new. What they call this, point of view. Yeah, you're gonna be point of view. Run that intro. Welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel with another episode of Dickin' Around in the Shed. Well, I kind of screwed up a little bit. I had it on video. I don't know. But anyway, let's try something. We're trying this new point of view, like a video game. Don't do that, because now I can't see what I'm doing. Got a new battery. Check. Yay. What am I doing? Oh, yeah. Let's get this out of the way. I gotta take the old battery out. Now we don't need that no more. Unplug that over there. But then my head itches, because I got a camera on. Nope, wrong way. And you don't use no power tool on your Harley. No way, I just did. Let's see if we can't figure out all this wiring stuff. Move this out of the way. Get this out of the way. There you go. Gotta get that out of the way. And then you get this cover out of the way, which everything's in the way for it. Dang it. Harley. Makes it so Harley. That's what Harley stands for. Harley can be able to do it. You hardly be able to do it. How in the world are you supposed to get that out of the... Move all this wiring. You got a little latch down there. You gotta get it off up to get it up. Come on. Where's your battery? You gotta get it over this thing. Uh-oh. Broke that loose. There's something else I gotta fix. Hey, I got it. Now, I need a Phillips head screwdriver to undo them bolts right there. Yeah, so let me get a Phillips head screwdriver there. I just had a Phillips head. I need a bigger one. Oh, I need to do something. Remember to do this first. Okay, now I just go cross-eyed because I'm trying to look through the lens and everything. But locate your fuse, main fuse here, and then you're gonna have to make sure you got the keys in your pocket or on the motorcycle. Find that fuse right there. Turn the bike on. Pull it. What I just did was keep from when I pull the battery, my soundboard gonna go wee 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 wee, and it's very, very loud in here. So let's put this where we won't lose it. Hey, look, myself. Boop, 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 boop. Find your Phillips head screwdriver. It's Phillips. It's one of them American Phillips. And you find your little screw and then you unscrew it. Wait. Unscrewed. Oh, see, no alarm. Unscrewed. let's read this cap right here. Won't be all that. And then, and then you take that out. And just do that. And then you don't need these bolts, but I'm going to save them because I'm a hoarder. Now let's see if we can't get this 100-pound battery out of here. Locate your pull tab. Don't do like some people does and stick that on that cord, but you can't get it out without it. And you lift, and it springs your battery up, so you can get a hold of it. Unlike I just did. Come on, one more time. Come on up. Okay. Okay. Up. Whew. One more time. Upsy daisy. I can't get it. Plan B. Alright, we back in action now with the first few game prey working in. Ooh, that's so light. Alright. As you can see, some actual features of this battery is it has 4 posts. So we'll be using the front post. The back post is for charging deal. And then I gotta figure out a place to put this. There's more wires, right? So let's get sure you get your little tab, because this thing's so light you could just flop it in here. Well, I need to raise it up. I don't know. Let's see. Should I get all the wires out of the way? Oh, me. Why did he gotta have so much wire in it? Uh-oh. That's It's hard to see what I'm doing with the camera right in front of my eyes. So, I'll be right back, because it's just taking a Phillips head screwdriver that I have lost, that I said I wasn't going to lose. I did. And then going beep, 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 boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, 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 boop, beep, boop, and you'll be done, right? So beep, let me beep, beep, boop, beep, and we'll be right back. Alright, so, yeah, I got it in there. Remember to put your thing back in, and then you got to put this on top of this, and then you take all this and try to finagle it so it'll all fit back under your seat, which for some reason it's not now. Okay. Why? Oh, because you gotta pull some of this out. So well, hello, how do you do? This is the first time, probably the last time I'm going to do a point of view. But hey, I got it hooked up. And boy, it really... Let's go ahead and break the glasses right there. One problem I did have that... I swore I put my boat from my seat up there on the workbench. Now it's gone, the damn gremlins. But anyway, what we talking about? Oh yeah. Turn it on. Let it prime. Like I was saying, I don't know what to do with the thing. Lucky I had one of them spiky boats thingies. I'm in there, nope. Well, I'm sure to turn up, or I'll probably just go order another one. Crap. Alright, before we suffocate for DUI, See, carbon monoxide. I don't know. I'll figure it out in a minute. But hey, we got stickers. Yay! We got an Optima. There looks like a good place for an Optima. Hey, look at the one I just had with it. See, I can't remember. So there it is. The O would work. Right there. Yeah. Anyway, you can go check out that video right about there, or that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. We'll do a regular video next time.